me in boxes. I don't want to rip the box. Hi everyone, WhyGo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, WhyGo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, have dry, mature skin. I love skincare, makeup, doing reviews, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by to see what is in the May, April, June, possibly March, the box by Fashionsta, then keep on watching. Okay. The box by Fashionsta. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's COVID. I don't know if it's just in general. But here's the backstory on this subscription box. I ordered it on either January the 31st or February 1st. So when I received a box in February, I assumed it was the February box. Apparently it was the January box. In March I received a box, which turned out to be the February box. I have not received a box until now. So I don't know if they're just really behind and this is a March box. I was billed in April and May. I've sent them emails. Sometimes they respond back, sometimes they don't. I will post down below if I get any clarifications. I have no clue what month this box is. All I know is I've paid for, or I've been billed for 4 boxes, and this is only the 3rd box I've received. Hopefully there's a card that will indicate, maybe it'll say spring, Mother's Day, something to give an indication of what month this box is for. All right, let's dig in and see what we got. This is what the box looks like. Okay, good. There's a card. There's a lot of little black squiggly bits, which look lovely and are nice protecting, but they are messy. Okay, the first item is ncLA Watermelon. I'm going to assume this is a lip scrub, but let's see what the card has to say. ncLA Watermelon Sugar Scrub. Okay, $16. I was correct. Let's take it out of the box. See how good it smells. Oh my God. Me in boxes. I don't want to rip the box. That was way harder than it needed to be. Alright, so this is what the product looks like. Very small. Is there tape? Oh, there's a sticker. That's what's constituting a safety seal. Doesn't smell as much as I thought it would smell. I mean, it has a very, very soft smell, but not in your face, so, and it's not super, super gritty, although I only lightly rubbed my finger across the top. Alright, I have lip on, so I'm not going to try it on now, but there is our first product. I am getting a serious deja vu. I swear I have that product already, because the second item I already have as well. Did they resend me a box from back in like February or March? This is the Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. Double Dare is the product. All-in-one Jet Serum will effectively boost hydration, protect, and revitalize the skin. Infused with cactus fruit. let's go on to product number 3, because I see some lovely word, a lovely word that I don't remember getting. I see Sigma. I see E56 Shader Lid. Oh, it's a little mini brush. Oh, it's a travel. Oh no. There's a second item from Sigma. And this is the E65 small angle. So these are travel brushes. Check this out. So this is a shader lid for eyeshadow. And this is a small angle, which if you do your eyebrows, or if you use a gel pot for your eyelashes or under eye. Okay, those are a little cute, a little nice. Too bad I'm not traveling. Thank you, COVID. But I always love a good brush. And I love a very nice brand. Okay, I'm not mad at that. And I did not get that before. So are they just sending repeats? Is this like a... Due to COVID, they put a few new things and then just shove some older things? Very interesting. Very curious what's going on with this box. Okay. Next item. Confidence in My Glow. Real Her. Ooh, it's a highlighter. And does it say what shade? No. It's made in the USA. That looks really lovely. Let me do a swatch. It's like a champagne goldy kind of look. I don't know. I'm so fair if you can see it. It's right there. Ooh. Kind of, I already have highlighter on, but I kind of want to try it. Let's give it a whirl. It matches my skin tone, so it's not blinding, but you can see it. Okay, and it's a very lovely mirror. So the Real Her highlighter retails for $25. And they describe it as a warm rose gold shade. It is paraben, talc, and cruelty free. Alright. Interesting. The Sigma travel brushes are not on the card. I wonder if, since they haven't sent me a box in a while, if they're like trying to make up for stuff. I'm going to have to send them another email to find out what is going on. Because this seems like a repeat box, and they maybe put extra stuff in. Let's carry on and see what else we got. Alright, next item is by a brand called Z-Skin. And this is a nighttime eye cream. I also received this before. Okay, next item. This is also from Real Her. It's called I Am the Best, and it's a matte lipstick. I kind of vaguely remember this. Maybe if I see the, ooh, lovely packaging. It's very heavy. Does it have a magnet? Yes, it feels like it has a magnet closure. I love that. What is the shade? Ooh, not a shade I can pull off. But I'm not even going to swatch it. I will keep this for a future giveaway. don't know if I've received this before because I think I would have remembered this lovely magnetic closure. Interesting. I'm so confused about this box because the next item I do remember getting, and that is this eyeshadow palette from BeBella, Champagne Kisses 1. Here's the one I have versus the one they just sent. Now, what makes that nice is I can put that in a future giveaway. And for those who are curious, this is what the palette looks like. Lots of colors in smaller pans that are more narrow and rectangular. But it is a nice, there's a range, like if you like a little purple, a little more adventurous, some warm tones, some greens. If you're boring like me, there are plenty of like neutral shades, so it's a nice palette. Honestly, I don't think I've used it yet, other than when I swatched it the last time I did an unboxing from the box by Fashionsta. I'm going to keep this out so that I use it. Okay, so what else is in this box? Nothing else. Super confusing. Why would they send me a box that arrives in June? That was pretty much the same box that I got back in February, March. Why do boxes hate me lately? I had a weird experience with my glossy box. These are new though. These Real Her are new. So we got a highlighter, a lipstick, scrub repeat, Champagne Kisses repeat, Z-Skin eye cream repeat. New are these little travel brushes from Sigma. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, I forgot to read. The Real Her matte lipstick is $18. The Z-Skin Nighttime Cream is $24. The Double Dare All-in-One Jet Serum is $38. The Champagne Kisses palette is $18. And I'll repeat, the Sugar Scrub is $16. So this is V2 retail value, $139. Oh, my last box was variation 4. So it looks like maybe that's why there's some repeats. They resent me the box from February or March for whatever reason, but I got a different variation. Comment down below, do you subscribe to the box by Fashionsta? If so, have you experienced delays and or repeat boxes and or missing boxes where they bill you but don't send a box? Do I just have bad luck? Comment down below if you like the box by Fashionsta. This is so confusing. Does it say on here the month? Please, let's see here. Now, I feel bad because what they do is they donate part of the proceeds to the 1736 Family Crisis Center. But why would you still bill me and not send me boxes, and then when you finally send a box, send me a repeat month? Okay. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I really do appreciate all of the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. If and when I hear back from Fashionsta, I will update in the comments, and or hopefully I will get another box soon since they've already billed me, and then I will give an update in that video. Thanks, everyone.